ओके गाइस, सो आज हम लोग ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. यू कैन सी दिस इज चेयर which we are going to deassemble, and we'll learn how to deassemble such kind of chairs. So first of all, we'll turn it down, do it carefully, and then we are going to remove the bottom. So you can see here so you can see the bottom has been removed, and it looks like something this. So same process again, put cloth and you have to hit it. So you can see this attachment has been removed, and now so slowly we have to remove all the nuts using the equipment provided with this setup.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll make a new video. Thank you.